Create bespoke modular storage for your home to tidy away your tools, timber, offcuts, paint tins and materials. Our flexible modular storage solution is designed with convenience in mind, giving you an easily adjustable storage unit that can be swapped and shifted around to suit your needs whenever you want. They're constructed as a standalone modular timber unit, which can be stacked to create a customised configuration that's large enough to store plenty, but can still be quickly dismantled for effortless portability. Once you've disassembled the unit, each section can be easily transported by one person. We've also used this design to optimise materials, helping you to get the most out of larger sheet materials such as 8 by 4 sheets. We're using 18mm thick OSB 3 for this project. It's versatile, affordable and water resistant, plus it offers a different aesthetic to plywood which looks fantastic as part of your workshop, garage or shed. Because it's 18mm thick, it doesn't require a separate framework for joining, which makes things easier. In this video, Wickes customer and DIY enthusiast Rudy is going to show you how to make a bespoke modular storage unit step by step. The materials for this project are all available from Wickes and will take a DIYer with moderate skill approximately 5 hours to build. Look out for this icon during the video for our DIY top tips. Look at your cutting list and try to group the cuts based on their size and material. Once you know the position of the fence for each cut, you can create a pattern or jig from an offcut of timber to provide a template for the relevant measurement. This is faster, more accurate and most importantly more consistent than measuring each time. Measure and mark your materials and cut them to size with a circular saw so that you have the individual parts for your individual storage boxes. Group the pieces by size so that you have them all stacked neatly on your workbench. This makes it easier when it comes to assembling the modules. Once everything is cut and ready, you can begin to create your storage boxes. By just using the flat surface of the workbench and your fingertips, you can butt the relevant panels together accurately and flush before screwing them into place. We recommend using 4mm by 30mm wood screws. Before fixing any butt joint with your screws, be sure to drill a pilot hole. This will prevent the material from splitting. When it comes to assembling the boxes, we suggest attaching the sides and ends first. Then measure the position of any shelves you wish to install and screw them into place before finally fitting the back piece. This material in particular can be quite rough to touch, so once you've constructed all of your individual units, it's a good idea to give them all a good sanding. This removes any potentially rough or sharp edges. You've got all of your storage boxes ready to go. Now you can begin to stack them for your final installation. Select your desired location for your flexible modular storage unit and stack the boxes in your desired configuration. Whilst they will sit in position under their own weight, you should affix the boxes to each other. To do this, hold them in place with a quick clamp and fix them using 25mm screws. This will hold them firmly in place for safety, while helping them to remain easy to dismantle should you need to move them or adjust your layout. Now that your flexible modular storage unit is all built and ready, the only thing left to do is get creative. Customise your boxes with additional shelving, rails and pegs or bars and bungees. There's loads of options that provide endless storage possibilities for any area of your bespoke cabinet. Maybe you want to install some hooks to hang up your raincoats or fit shelves to store painting materials. The best thing about this modular storage solution is that it can be completely personalised to your taste and home. For more inspiration and advice, subscribe to our social channels and visit Wickes online and in store.